the cool things about our company, and I think what makes us different is we can really identify with our customers. We're all on our fitness journeys. We're all at different points of our fitness journeys, but we understand what it takes to succeed with this. So, these guys put just a ton of passion and love and attention to detail in creating these menus to help our clients get the results. And our client success team are all NASM certified lifestyle coaches, which is awesome because they are there for our clients to walk them through the journey, to help them, to coach them, and to support them. And different people require different levels of support. And one of the things that I would say pride ourselves on is providing a world-class customer experience. So whether you're a client of ours or not, if there's anything that we can help you with, give us a shout, send us an email, call the main line. We'd love to talk to you. If there's something we can help you out with, great. If there's a better option for you, we could definitely steer you in that direction as well. Either way, we appreciate you watching, and we'll see you next time.